Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your mouse or trackpad because you can't change the pointer without it. Once paired in Settings Bluetooth, go straight to Settings Accessibility Pointer Control. You'll see the toggle to enable pointer features. Turn it on. This is the crucial first step. It exposes pointer options for size, color, and tracking. Make sure the device is active, and if you're using wired hardware, plug it into the USB-C port so the settings appear immediately. Once enabled, you adjust how the pointer moves and looks. Change pointer size with the slider, larger for visibility, smaller for precision, and pick a contrasting color so it stands out. Next, set tracking speed, move the slider and test by moving the device because real-time feedback helps you find the sweet spot. Also toggle animations and increased contrast to reduce distraction or improve legibility. These middle steps shape usability. Finish by testing the pointer across apps, text, browser, and drawing apps to confirm size and tracking feel correct. Make small final tweaks and consider creating a shortcut or using Control Center for quick switching. If the pointer is jumpy or missing, first restart your iPad and reconnect the device. Then check for an iPad OS update because driver-like fixes often arrive in system updates. If problems persist, toggle pointer control off and on, or reset Bluetooth connections. That usually clears lingering conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.